No, no, but like to build it.
Everybody wants to know if we're gonna.
But the thing is, I would like more at the front.
No, Jesus.
Then we can't put the block here. We're gonna have to put it in back.
Yeah, basically you only have to have 2 backface sliders and they'll have the polarity switch backwards.
It's like the song.
It wasn't arcade game. It was like one video. Oh my God.
What is that? What do you guys do?
This camera is
You say Blue Geo?
We'll start recording.
So this is the instructor spot, okay? I'll show you guys.
I'm showing you guys. Good? Yep.
Take the camera.
Hold up. See these like don't exactly line up. So I'm gonna have to put a pole
It's
that's
nice,
like a 45 degree angle.
You should take a video of
You know what I mean? Because then these are gonna be
Oh, we should take a video of that part.
No, she has to.
I would connect it the same way on top, coming around. Connect the same way on top, coming around. Say how you did the bottom. Do the same one on top.
Yeah, I know.
Drop
I
it
can
down.
do
Yep. Okay. How many of you know where you're today? Right here. You're not going to be building at all today or the next couple of days. Okay, you're going to do all the wiring, okay? So as you can see, the board's already pre-set up. I have it nicely set. You have a controller here, okay? It should not be, you can go, this is you, you got to, this is your wires for the controllers, okay? You should have pre-wired in, okay? Right here. Right. That's fine. So you should have pre-wires in setup. Your first, these are the these called the controllers. The controllers here. These 3. You should have wires in there already. So if you should have 2 wires coming out. Make sure you have 2 wires coming out from each terminal right here. Right here.
Wait, you know what?
On the E's and M's. Except for the last one, you should have only 1. 2 wires. Follow the wires. Make sure 2 wires coming out. Okay. Make sure you have 2 of each. Right? Now get to know these wires. These are most important because the signal sends over to these wires telling it that this is what needs to be done. Okay? This is the only one that needs adjustment, but under that you have a, let's see, you can see right, look over here, right in the middle. So you should have 3 wires coming out of this one at the bottom. One's a smaller one on the left side. In the middle should be a black wire, and then on the right side should be a red. Make sure that's all there. You're missing? You're missing? Okay. That's when we get up. You're missing, we do that as a team. You guys are going to help him. If you got caught up, you're going to help each other, okay? Because we're all going to work on this together. So you're missing.
You all need help?
So you go ahead, I'll let you do that, okay? You unscrew it and you stick it in, okay? So basically this way. Yes. There you go. That's good enough. That's good enough. Let's put wire. What color you want there, just so you know. There's a whole bunch of them.
I'll do this peachy one.
Peachy one?
No, yeah, the wait,
Okay, if you guys see, my box is all kind of a messy here, but we'll take a look at it in a bit. I use this to tie up my wires to make the dressing look all nice, okay? If you guys want to look in a minute, come up here. How about you guys come up here? Come here real quick, so I can show you guys.
This is gonna be fun.
Okay, so when you guys are done, it should look like this, okay? Okay. So you have these on the side here. These go to your controllers, your motors. 1 motor, 2 motor, 3 motor, 4 motor, and a clock. Okay. So only 5 outputs. Okay. See how mine's are all in a mess, but I lined up my reds around, tied up my blacks, tied up the wires. These are my controllers. These joystick control. So that's your goal is to set that up just like that. Okay. And if you have any questions right now, it's the time to ask. If you're not sure what we're doing. Anybody? You think this is going to be a challenge? Okay. So when we're done, see this page here? See that? We're going to put codes like that in. It's going to allow it to tell this computer to tell all these things to do what it's doing. All right? Any questions so far? Okay. So your goal right now is to make sure these wires are coming out. So you're missing a wire. Pick any wire. Let's go back and sit down so you guys understand now. So there's 2 sets of wires. Okay. There's these, which they have these wires. There's a male end and a female end. Okay. But if you want to bridge it, my toolbox here has everything. Okay. This doesn't leave this mess. Okay. See this? These are connected to between. So what you want to do is, if you want to bridge that, take one of these. Okay. These will bridge it. See how it is?
You let go, let it snap.
Allows you to plug it in, and another one to connect. Okay? You can do this. If you guys can see that, you guys did. Or you can find some of these, which these right here are male to male ends. Some of them come really short. Some of them come. Some are short and some are long. Okay? All sorts of color. Red, green, blue, whatever. Pick the one that will be easier for you, okay? But if you don't want to do that connector, just see this? 2 male ends. You got 2 male ends. Cool? Any questions on that? You can always take a few strips, take a few of these to your area. Okay? So your goal is to see how this wire needs to go in here. Goes in here. What goes in the middle?
I don't know.
Oh no, look over here.
Oh,
Guys, anyone to help her?
Black.
Black, okay. So this black here needs to go
In the middle.
in the middle. Okay? Oh, you gotta unscrew it though. And then you need a couple of wires coming out of there like this. Okay? Okay. I would take this one off too because it's too short. Unscrew. You want to reach this board here. Okay. This little board here, this whiteboard, you see it? It's called breadboard, okay? Okay, so you want to make sure your wire is connected ahead, screw that in. Good? Okay. It's not coming out, okay? When you plug it in, we make sure it reaches over here, okay? So you're gonna do that here. Okay, so first of all, what we want to do is make a connection here. You see this little clip here? This is tab. You see it? Okay. And we're gonna build this today. We're gonna try to build that circuit today. It's this one here. Okay? It's called regulator. It regulates, it regulates power. Okay? There's a number on it on top. Okay, everybody look closer and tell me the number on top.
7809.
Okay, so 78 is just a model number, okay? You don't need that. The 09, the last two here, see it? 09, the last two, that means it regulates that amount of voltage. So what does the last two number do?
Regulates
A lot of voltage.
How much voltage? 9 voltage. It tells you right here. 9. Cool. So if you see a 05, guess what? Is it the right? If I needed 9 volts, would you? Is that the right one? It's the wrong one, right? You hear that? So if it was 05, I need 9 volts. What? Is it the right one? Perfect. Okay. Now I need this connection here. See this? This is your breadboard. Your breadboard, okay? These are the holes. And we're gonna make this today, okay? First one to make their light today gets 2 tickets. Okay? 2 tickets. There's 2 of you. So if you get 2 and there's no one's here, you get 2, okay? And you get 2. Okay? And then you two split. You two get split. Okay? So tell me, just looking at this page, which part you don't understand. This is your breadboard here, okay? The breadboard. That thing, okay? So you're gonna plug this one in. This side, there's 3 wires. See that? Starting from this front. Starting from there's 1, 2, and 3 wires, right? 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Okay? So you can turn it that way, the way he did it. So you can see 3 wires, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So this goes to 12 volts. This thing is 12 volts right here, coming out of this. Okay? The red wire here is 12 volts. The red wire. Okay? So find a red wire that has a like this, and plug it in there. Plug it into, I would say, number H, right under that.
Wait, I still need to do this.
What's that? Oh yeah, go ahead, do that. Do that right now.
So I picked the red, black,
Yes.
and red.
Yes, the red sticking out here. The black sticking out here. And then, no. Just like this. This side.
I'm
Get it?
confused.
Okay, so look, you have red, black, red and black. You need what? Here.
Red.
Exactly. Perfect. Okay? You see that? Okay?
Connect this one like right in bottom H.
Right under that. See that? Okay. No. Okay. Right under that. Under it. Okay? Just like this. Okay? Cool? Everybody got that? Okay.
Yep.
Do you know why we plug into like that? Anybody got questions? You gotta ask me. Yeah, what wire? Why are we doing that? Anybody got reason why? Okay. Let me show you. See the back of these grids? Here? Okay. These rows here in the middle. Here, you can follow with this. See these? They're all the same. They're connected. Okay? These are connected, but these are connected how? Look at it. Long ways, all right? You see what he just showed me? These are connected. These are connected, but these are connected this way. So if you plug in anything, for example, you plugged in from here, look over here so you can see. Here, in here, or any of these 5, they're all the same, okay? Because why?
They're all connected.
See that? There, it's a whole strip, okay?
Yeah, basically.
But if you wanted this side to be the same as this side, what do we do?
Whenever charge, this little wire is, it's all gonna be connected.
Okay, so see how these are like this? There's a whole strip of wire here. What does that indicate? It's the same bar.
That they're connected.
They're connected. So these are all the same, right? Now, but there's a split here. So if I wanted this side to have the same output as this side, what did I do?
You need to connect a cable.
Show me.
Here. And here, and then the other one.
Exactly. But if I want it over here, I could just do this, right? You understand that?
Not the same thing for you.
No. You look confused.
Long ways,
So,
and for
see these? There's a whole strip here, okay?
it's
That's why I need 2 leaves. One don't give, the other gives, okay?
which one's
This is the whole strip,
There you go.
okay?
Yeah, that's it.
So that means that
That's basically what
this
he's
is the
saying.
whole strip. They're all the same. So if I plug in
Do
this
you
here,
guys need help explaining
it's
it?
the same as this one. This one,
You guys got it?
this one, okay? So there's a break in here. If I wanted something that's staying over here, how do I get it? How would I actually do that?
Also, do you guys know how to bridge yet?
All these,
Bridge.
these are going to be the same.
Alright, so basically, what you do
Do you understand that?
is you get some, like,
How about
you have a
this?
charge like
It's all the
this.
way across.
Now to bridge it,
Okay. That means that anything along
yeah,
this
exactly.
hole
I'm
here
just trying to
is
get
the same, okay? So if I plug in one here, look over here. Red is always going to be positive.
Oh yeah.
The green, oh no, colorblind, sorry. The blue, top row is always positive. Bottom row, which is blue, is negative, okay? What's top row? Negative. Now, if I wanted all the negative here to be the same, say negative here, how do I get the other side negative to be the same? You plug it in, so I know that, you know. That's a negative and positive.
It's like how some is negative.
See that? Now, if I want a positive, I do the same thing, but with red.
Shift it up.
Yeah, so that's
So
that's
we're
what
all
we
good
do.
on that, right?
You basically attach
Okay.
the wire if you want.
So I just want to make sure you guys understand that. Okay.
Same charge as this one.
Okay, now back to our
Attach the
illustration.
This wire
Okay?
to this over here, and
Okay.
these will all be the same.
Okay. So from here it says we need a ground. We need to hit the ground. Here, let me get the batteries. Can you have them connect this? Can you guys connect this using this diagram?
You think you can follow that?
Yeah, I think you guys can follow this. So basically, this is a wire. See that? A wire to a ground. The middle is the ground. This is for a 9 volt. 9 volts coming out your regulator. You get it? Okay? Can you guys follow that?
Do they have to have a blank breadboard?
No, they can just do on that.
Okay.
Just do on their breadboard.
Like with one controller?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just do on your breadboard right there. Let me get the power for you guys.
Oh yeah, you need power.
Can I see it?
What's up?
Can I see it again?
Yeah, for sure. Alright, so basically what this is referring to is this part right here. Like this whole section.
Hey, Don, you see those powers?
Like that?
I thought I brought them here. This little charging tower. Oh, it's over there.
Oh, you got him?
Like this?
Just bring me one.
And the,
Can you follow that diagram?
yeah,
Okay.
maybe.
Remember, negative is the bottom blue. You're on.
Positive.
Yeah, there we go. Always remember, blue's negative. Okay. Here. Are you guys done with this diagram? Let's shift over here. You see this? Use this. Okay. That's what I want you guys to connect, okay?
Yes.
These lines are your wires.
We'll show you how it
Wires.
works.
Okay.
I've used them.
I don't know yet. I think that's
You gotta use it. This is
you
you, right?
I
connect.
use it like
Baby thing.
yeah, not like hardcore construction.
When you do it, the nail falls off.
Oh, how you can throw it down like a week.
That's negative 2. Yep.
Okay, before we start, I'm gonna show you guys how to read resistors, okay? Resistors.
They resist.
Have you guys heard of resistors? Resistors? Anybody heard of resistors?
He put it back.
Okay. These resistors are these little things you see on parts. Okay, these are resistors, okay? Okay? Resistors. Okay? Now, to read a resistor, here's a color chart. It starts with, it's the rainbow, okay? Starts with black, brown, and the rest of the rainbow, red, orange, all the way down, okay? And they start with 0, 1, all the way to 9. Now, to read it, you see some color on this little band. Go ahead and pass this. Here, this is yours. This is yours. This is yours. This is his over there. Okay. Okay. So to read it, tell me the colors on there.
Red and orange.
All of it.
Red,
Orange, orange.
Red, orange,
Oh, there's a gold.
brown, gold.
Okay. Red, orange. There's one more. Brown.
Light,
Gold, right?
like light blue.
Okay. Close enough. It's red, orange, brown, and silver. Okay. So we'll start with this chart. I'll go 101. The first one's red. It's 2, right? Put that number down here, 2. Orange. 3, right? Did I take the wrong one? No, it's red. Orange. I'm sorry, it's orange. Orange. Okay. Orange, and red, right? Is that what it said?
Yeah, we got one for Yes. Look at it. See?
Orange, brown. Yep. Orange, brown. It should be orange, and brown.
Oh, I thought that was red.
Yep.
Yeah, that's why I was like confused.
Okay. So I'm gonna go with you 2 and I'll go with 2. So we go orange, right down 3. Orange, another 3, okay? And it's what, brown? So we follow this 10, right? So it's 3, it's 1, 0, right? So we added 0 to that, so it's 330. You get it? So it's 330 ohms, okay? The gold or silver color is just indicates that it's within this range that it can take power. 5% more or 5% less. If it's silver or gold, 10%.
Like
You understand?
titanium.
So if I give you a different one, which what you doing?
They're not big ones, like tiny cup.
Hey guys, this is a supply table. You can take as much as you need, but make sure that it stays here.
What gradient? They use it.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna steal a bunch of.
Yeah, that's fine. That's what it's for.
You're going to 10?
That's fine.
They build it here.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me the ohms on this one. Start with colors. Okay. Tell me the. Okay. Three zeros? Yep. Yeah, 3 zeros, yeah. So it's how much? How many ohms? Well, it's 1 0 plus 3 zeros.
How far is it from you?
How much? 10,000 ohms. Okay? So I want to make sure you guys can read
There's
it.
one bus over there.
Okay?
Yeah, they bring me.
Oh, they do?
Okay. So if I gave you this, okay, and this. So just hold on to it. No, just hold it. Okay. Okay. So the first one is what? Red, red. No, this one right here.
Brown. Red, red? That looks like orange.
Orange. Okay, it's orange. I'm sorry. Orange, orange, brown. Okay. This first one you guys have.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go over it. Look here. It's orange. First one. Second one is orange again too. And the third one is brown, okay? Brown is this one, okay? So we look at the multiplier. So we go 3. We just draw 3 here. The second one is 3, 2, which is orange. 2 orange. 3 here. Brown, which is, it has 10. 1 0, right? 10 times 3, 3 is what?
330.
Okay, that's 330 ohms. You get it? 3 times 10 is 330. So this thing is 330 ohms only. Now, how about the next one I gave you?
It's
The next one. Try to tell me ohms.
brown,
You need both? Okay.
brown, black, orange, gold.
Okay. You don't worry about the last four, the fourth one.
Okay.
The fourth one you do matter, but tell me the first 3.
Brown, black, orange.
Tell me the ohms on that.
110.
No, it's brown, black.
Oh. 103.
Pay attention to your colors. Look at it.
103.
Okay, so how much is it?
101.
Add 3 zeros to it. Yeah, times 1,000.
30.
How much is it?
30.
30? How'd you get 30? Look, it's say again, say the colors.
Brown, black, orange.
Brown, black, it's 1 0, and the orange is the multiplier, okay? How much is that?
Okay.
Huh?
3,000?
It's not 3,000. How'd you get 3,000?
3 times. Okay.
1,000.
No. Not this. We're not counting the third one. This is the multiplier.
1,000.
This is 1,000 times your first 2 that you got. 10,000. You get that? Okay. Okay. Look. The first color is what? Tell me.
Black. No, brown.
Brown. So you go to the brown. It's number 1, okay? Let's just write 1 down, okay? The next one is
Black.
okay, is 0. Let's write 0 down. 1 0, okay? The next color is orange. The orange is the third color is always a multiplier, okay? So we look at the multiplier, we go, okay, orange is 1,000. 1,000 times 10 is 10,000. You get it? Okay. Awesome. Let me have the second one I just gave you. You gotta hold on to the orange.
Brown, orange, orange.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Follow the diagram that I gave you to put this together. You're missing one more.
Oh, a black?
Anyone? No. Looks like this. It doesn't matter which you, but
That.
yeah, it's that. I should have made copies, but that thing doesn't work. It was working earlier.
So where's the power coming over here?
Did you get one of the towers for me?
Oh,
Yeah, pull out the tower. And can you connect these? Get 3 more. we'll connect it. Yeah. So go ahead and do this. Okay. So your 12 volt, you plugged in 12 volt ground. Okay. Remember the 330 ohms? Okay. You need to plug that. You need to bridge that. Okay. So that this side here is all 330 ohms.
Yes.
Okay.
So where do you have it stuff?
Here.
So short.
Here.
Is that how much it is?
To this one. I can break it.
Oh, that's it.
See how we don't have power cords? This is annoying. I have to get my own extensions.
Like this.
Did I do this right?
We'll just plug it there. G3 start over there. Let's get like a whole bunch of these. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we'll just plug a bunch of these in. Go ahead and just
What does it say? The 7809.
plug in. Yeah. Over there, just like
7809. The numbers that they have in here?
Here.
330. Okay.
Oh, 7809 is we don't care about those two, we care about 09. It's the voltage that passes through the regulator, that's this.
What do you see the number right there?
Yeah.
This one's gonna be your power
Is there like another copy of this or no?
This is the number right there?
of that.
Oh, those are
No,
It's
there's,
fine.
yeah.
Pick a light.
Let me see if I can draw it out. I'm gonna take a picture of this.
You guys only get one.
Wait a second, I'm gonna take a picture of that.
A light. Pick one. Pick a light. What's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you guys only need one. He needs one.
There we go.
Alright, just leave it there. Okay. Now, you still, the light needs, see this? The reason why this is, when you hit the ohms from the power, this is power, and you need one to go to the ground.
We need one negative and one
Yes.
positive.
Okay?
Okay.
You got it?
On here.
But you also need a ground. You need to plug in your ground here. The ground here. You need, in order for it to work, you need the ground to go in first. Because you got the power in, okay? Do the same. You need a ground right here. You plug it in there, but then how you gonna get?
That was already plugged in.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Okay. So how you gonna get the ground from here to over there?
Just connected it.
How?
Just got, so I attached it, you just
Remember-
gotta be careful.
Okay. There's wires here. You gotta come grab it. Remember, you bridge it. Okay. You just leave it plugged in. Okay. Okay. You bridge it. You put it here to here. Remember what we're talking about? You gotta come grab. You gotta come grab it. Okay. Okay. Okay.